Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to talk about the $1,000 investment strategy. We did the $500 investment strategy. Now you you've done the $500, and let's say within the a couple of weeks of trading and seeing your money grow, you're gonna be like, oh man, this is serious. So you're gonna put another $500 and put it up to 1,000. Now I started with 1,100, and my income is increasing. And by the time you see this, it'll be even more. Um, so this is a really good start off. I would suggest everybody start off with at least $1,000 because that's where you're really gonna see some growth happen. So it's gonna be awesome. So let's say you start with $1,000. Let's see what that looks like in 3 years. Okay, so let's see what $1,000 investment is going to look like. So I'm gonna put $1,000. Well, not 11. That's what I started with. If you want to see that tutorial, it's on this site. So I want to just check it out. So $1,000, we're gonna go for 3 years. Okay, so let's put 3 years, and I'm gonna break it down again. And everything's pretty set. Okay, everything's weekly. Okay, bam, bam, bam. Boom. Look at this. Lord have mercy. You turned $1,000 in 3 years. In 3 years time. So if you don't do nothing else in your investment, at least in 3 years, you're gonna have $200,000, over 200,000. Okay, that's incredible. In 3 years, how many years has passed now that you've had $1,000 in your bank account and it grew any interest? So we're talking about this is valuable. At least you'll have about 200,000 plus in 3 years with a $1,000 investment startup. So let's look at that. You started with 1,000. The first month is 1160. Then kind of comes here. This is about where I'm at right now. And then it goes here, and it goes really quick, guys, because and then the fifth month you're at $2,000. Look at that. You turn in 5 months you turn $1,000 to $2,000. Wow. So year one you made about $5,000. That is awesome. So that's a nice income tax check right there. On top of the income tax check that you're gonna get with your job. So don't quit your job yet, because we're going to show you how to do that within 3 years of just doing an investment strategy. Okay, so boom, that's year one, year two, you're at $35,000. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is beautiful. 35,000. Wow. Happy New Year. Okay, so let's keep looking. Look at those big old numbers, y'all. So in the third year of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th month, you had 100,000 already. Okay, so boom, year three, you're at a total of $214,138, $38.41. Wow, wow, ladies and gentlemen, we're look where we at, ladies and gentlemen. We at over $200,000, and this is our profit. From this we're gonna take about $50,000. That's gonna be our startup capital. You can use this to buy you buy a car, or start up a business, or whatever you want to use it for. This tutorial is for people that wanna start their life out. You can do this in 3 years, ladies and gentlemen, and live free. Just put $1,000 in and let it compound for 3 years. You can take about $50,000 out, and let's see. And once you take $50,000 out, that's gonna give you your sustainable income. Okay, that's gonna be, look at that. You take the 50,000 out and you use that for whatever you want to use it for. Okay. Reward yourself, pay yourself, do what you want to do. Um, Try not to spend it all. Okay. Now after that 50,000, this is your sustainable income. This is gonna be your seed income. All right. All right. The 50,000 for you to do whatever you please to do with it. Okay. But you have $164,000, $138. Okay. We're gonna leave that in our account, and let's see what that looks like, and that's going to give us our um, working capital. All right, that's this the capital that we're going to be making a month. All right, so let's check this out. Okay, so we're going to use strategy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, strategy. Okay, we made over 200 something thousand. We took 50,000 for that bad boy. We only started with $1,000 in 3-year time at 3.5%. So we're going to use strategy. This is how you get to the next level, by using strategy. You don't go out there and start spending all your money up and, just doing what you big and bad do. You use strategy. All right? Strategy. That's what we aim for, strategy. That's what's going to make us free in, in our endeavors. Strategy. Okay? So we're going to not do this for three years. We're going to do this for a month because we want to see what it look like, what it be like. Okay, so look, check this out: 164,138.41 at 3.5%. It's gonna give us our sustainable income. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. $26,000. Wow. Isn't that amazing? $26,000. Oh my God, $26,000 is our working capital. What can you do with 26,000? We just help you reach the income goal monthly of over $24,642 per month. So it's going to take us 3 years with $1,000 strategy to help you come up with the poverty threshold income. So now you know how we're going to help you. This is the strategy. Okay, put $1,000 in, 3 years of compounding. You'll make over 200 something. Excuse me, over 200 something thousand. You're gonna take 50,000 out, reward yourself, take family on vacation, do what you do, have fun. But you're gonna keep $164,138.41 working for you, and that is going to produce the $26,386.49 per month. Now, you'll still have access to your $164,000. However, like I always tell people, if you mess with that money, that's going to affect your monthly income. You want to go ahead and let that 26,000 continue to increase, okay, month after month after month, and it's not going to take you long to get back to over, you know, uh, over 100,000. So in probably 4 more months, you'll be over 100,000. Then another 4 more months, probably 3 more months, you'll be over 200,000, and then you can just, pretty much live your life. I would definitely increase my investment, your sustainable capital, because that's the goal. You want to increase your sustainable capital so it can produce your monthly income so that you can just live. So you want to get to $100,000. We're going to talk about that, okay? It's possible, and you can see how it's possible. So I hope this helped you out. Go ahead and get back with the person that invited you to this presentation and this tutorial, go ahead and put your $1,000 in. You're going to get it all back. Let's compound for 3 years. Make this happen. And I'm telling you, your life is going to be changed, bro, after 3 years, especially if you're young. If you are young, stop playing with your life and go ahead and do this. All right, this is Marquis Jackson L. Another great video. Okay, see you on the next one. Shalom.